Welcome to Hotcoin, your all-in-one crypto platform. Trade spot, explore futures, stake assets, and unlock Web3 tools anytime, anywhere, 24/7. Before diving in, you'll need funds in your account. In this video, we'll show you how to deposit crypto on the Hotcoin app and what you can do once it's in. Let's get started. Open the Hotcoin app and we'll guide you step by step. After logging into your Hotcoin account, tap More at the home page. Here you can see the vast array of features Hotcoin provides. Today, we'll look into the funds section. Tap Deposit to bring up the list of supported crypto assets. Let's say you want to deposit USDT. Search for it and tap to proceed. Now, choose the right network. Make sure it matches your sending wallet. Sending to the wrong network may result in permanent loss. Here, you can see a QR code and your address. Copy your Hotcoin wallet address or scan the QR code from your other device. This is where you'll send your funds. Or even better, you can tap Save and Share Address. From your other crypto wallet, paste the address, enter the amount, and hit Send. After sending, go to the bottom bar and tap Assets, and then go to Spot. Most deposits complete in just a few minutes, depending on the network. Want to ride market trends? Trade over 600 plus pairs on the spot market with real-time charts, low fees, and lightning-fast execution. Feeling adventurous? Try futures trading with up to 100x leverage. Open long or short positions, hedge your portfolio, or maximize your potential profits. Prefer to earn while you sleep? Stake your crypto in flexible or fixed plans and let your assets grow passively. With Hotcoin, you're not just depositing. You're unlocking an entire universe of opportunities. Download the Hotcoin app today and deposit crypto in minutes. Your next move starts here.